Ladies and gentlemen, you may not be able to tell, but we are at Hookman Cemetery in Seymour, and it is officially 2 hours into Halloween. Yeah! We are waiting for money to come into our checking account so we can go get food to eat. So I figured, well, rather than waiting at a McDonald's parking lot, we might as well conduct a little investigation instead in the downpours. So we're here. I'm just gonna turn the GhostTube app on for a bit, and then we'll leave. Chris is back there, all half unconscious from his night pills. So this should be a fun time. All right, turning the GhostTube app on now. Okay, that was weird. I didn't even hit record. It just started to record by itself.
Teacher.
Teacher? Do you think we're teachers? Hello. Hello, my name is Jim. This is Chris. We've been here before. I'm sure you know who we are.
I'm dead.
Oh. I'm dead.
Yeah,
Oh, that was
well,
creepy.
you're in the right place for it.
Who are you? Are you a little girl?
Response.
She responds.
Yeah.
Wow.
The wolf.
Big wolf.
Big wolf?
Maybe he sees your tattoo.
Maybe.
Go ahead.
Do you like Christopher's tattoos? Oh my god, this. Do you like the weather we're having?
Night.
Midnight. No, it's 2:12 a.m. Do you know what today is? It's a sort of, I guess, holiday. Do you know what the holiday day is?
He said, wish I was with God.
I don't know.
Really telling.
Very telling. Do you know what the holiday is today?
Sweet.
It's Christmas. Ew. It's Chris's favorite day of the year. Do you know what?
It's
I keep seeing raindrops and it looks
Just
like lights. Today is Halloween. You were spending Cradle. That was creepy. Why did you say cradle?
thinking.
Be
Halloween.
thinking. Oh my god!
Halloween.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude. And
Holy fuck, it said Halloween! I'm sorry. I don't mean to get too excited. Yes, today's Halloween. Do you like
gotta
Halloween?
manage.
Do you like...
Holy shit, I just got an overpowered feeling in my body.
Like what?
That'd be like an overpowered rush of electricity.
Arrangement.
There's electricity going down my whole arm.
Multi-cover.
It feels like past-
Oh, I hate that feeling.
Uh,
It's Halloween, yes. Do you like Halloween? Oh my god.
Hello.
Hello. Hello,
Battlers.
ma'am. If to the gentleman who said Halloween, what kind of costume? What's your favorite costume?
The management.
The manager? Wow. That was something, man. Do you like Halloween?
something was banging in the back of the car.
Very
Very fat.
Yeah.
Thank you. No, I think that's just rain. Okay, what the hell? I think that's the light. Is there a sign? Oh, yeah, I think there's a. Because I'm like looking at my backup camera and there's a weird light right there. Oh, two people like.
Dog creeper.
Dog creeper? Oh, that's creepy. Why are you saying we're talking about a dog creeper? Or.
Of.
That was so weird. It said Halloween.
And also manage. Yes.
Oh.
Guys, the idea.
Guys like it. What's your favorite holiday? Is it Halloween? Oh, you said something and I interrupted you.
With.
What's your favorite holiday? Whoa.
6, was it? It does include.
How many spirits are here with us right now? I have a theory that I want to test.
Brace of.
Brace yourself? What? In order to test the theory, though, I'm gonna need your cell phone. I just thought of, now I'm thinking, I have it in my head here that this thing is just using AI to
Cause of human suffering.
Cause of human suffering. She said, I think she said, fuck off.
What is that?
What? What? What is what?
Well, let me see on her.
Maybe it's talking about us.
Big pencil, too.
We can see that.
He said, yeah, we see the window. Oh, fuck. So, all I keep... I'm going to pause you guys for 1 second. So, I keep thinking now that maybe this is just AI. Like, I said the word Halloween, so then it said it. So, I have a theory. I'm going to use your phone, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to write something. I'm going to write a question down. Do you have, like, any kind of, like, notepad or anything? Yeah, here it is. Keep notes. Okay. Hold on. Let me just put the phone down for 1 second, people. I'm still here. And I'm going to write a note, right? On here. And I'm going to show the camera. But I'm not going to say the question. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And I want to see if it answers it without me ever actually verbally asking it. So here's what I wrote. Okay.
Yep.
See it? I'm going to show the camera too. That's what I wrote. Hold on. I'm trying to get it to come into focus. There it is. That's what I wrote. Now, let's see if it can answer that. Can you answer the question?
Family.
Can you answer the question that I have here?
Correct.
The night before.
What? Can you answer the question that I have?
You have to ask.
Whoa, it said you have to ask.
But we can keep us with.
Well, we're asking in a different way. Can you see what I have here? I have the question written down.
Well, we haven't seen.
We haven't seen it. Can you just hear us, or can you see us too? If you can see us, you can see what I have. What I have in my hand here.
I'm top.
Can you answer the question?
Or,
Poor?
change.
Alright. I'm gonna...
Code.
I'm gonna write...
Spaniard.
I'm gonna write something else, because maybe this is too complicated. I mean, I'm not trying to
Being
insult them, but I'm gonna write a word here.
Yeah. Against,
This is the word. Of course, stop rotating. That's the word.
footprint.
Footprint. That's the word that I have. Can you say what word I have
Of
here?
everything.
Can you say that word?
When the entire
Can you? What word is over here on this device? It's a three-letter. It's a three-letter word. Did you say it?
Sharon.
Can you say what this word is? If you did, I apologize. I didn't hear it exactly.
On the lake.
What is the word that I have here?
Debate that's being.
Oh, the fuck?
Well, facial.
What, Chris?
What?
Oh.
Oh,
Did you just touch me?
No, I woke up.
Oxford.
Something pulled my shirt, like, back here. I thought you did that.
No.
Okay.
But of course.
Thanks. Did you just pull my shirt?
test because in the
It's a test because you know. What is the
People
word?
want.
Thanks for pulling my shirt. Can you tell me?
travel.
Can you tell me what word I have written down here?
But only.
You were saying big article.
Are you unable to say it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so weird. Someone definitely pulled my shirt. I'm gonna move up to the top of the cemetery up here.
Move up now.
Yeah, we're moving up here. We're not leaving just.
Strange, you can feel that like
If it is
something falls in your arm.
Yeah, I hate when that happens. I really do.
Time.
Like walk into.
And then
I know. I've had that feeling before.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No problem with.
You have a problem with it?
Yes. Stop.
Yeah. Don't influence us like that. You may be trying. You may not know how it feels to you, but to us it feels weird. Can you answer the question up here? I have a three-letter word
It's in library.
written on. It's a library.
Names and group.
I have a three-letter word
Let's put it that.
written right here on this device. Can you tell me what the word is?
Where off didn't I?
Are you able to? Oh man, I feel weird up here. Are you able to tell me what the word is? It begins.
Where they then
Begins with a C.
Gazelle.
Train.
The train. No? Wow.
Almost set.
What is the word that I have here?
Distance.
I hope I'm not aggravating you. I'm just trying to validate that you're actually communicating. See, because we can't see you.
Got this other.
We can feel you, and we can hear when you communicate on here, but we need to know that you're actually here, though. So if we come across as being pushy or impatient, we don't mean to.
Rachel Reed.
Rachel somewhere.
I was trying to.
Can you say what this word is?
One will come back.
One will come back. Dude, what are you feeling?
A statue of. Struck businesses like this.
Are you guys having
Bright against bright.
Are you guys having conversation?
The hurricane.
The hurricane. Yeah, there's a big hurricane going on right now over down in Jamaica.
I think I got it up.
Horrible. What? Something keeps touching my arm.
Be back in a moment.
I'll be back in a moment. Where are you going?
Talking to Ghost Great.
I understand you.
How many of you are here right now?
Bill, say.
Oh my god, my whole arm feels tingly now too. Feels like I stuck my arm into a cobweb.
She's like.
I hate that feeling. Are you touching me? What is the word on this device on my seat? This is the last time I'll ask.
Spent so. Two reds.
Do you like that we're here spending Halloween with you? Or do you want us to leave? Here, Chris, I'll give you the phone back.
Alright.
It's export.
Xbox, huh?
Export or export?
Nothing at all.
Do you like that we're here? Change the setting, but well, do you like that we're here?
Endurance. Death.
It's mine.
And more.
Well, we're thankful to be here. But unfortunately it's 2:30 in the morning and we do have to leave soon, so if there's anything you want to say before we go, we were just going to do a short little investigation tonight.
It's 12 and 11.
It's 12. No, it's 2:29 a.m.
No, from the running meat. Treya.
Well, I guess we're gonna go now.
Verify.
Thanks for letting us communicate.
Error. Stop.
Thanks for letting us communicate. Chris is asleep back there. So.
Forum on.
All right. Thanks for
Which is what?
Thanks for communicating. We're gonna
Taken love.
shut the app off now. Thanks for communicating. We really appreciate it. We're gonna close the connection. You're not allowed to follow us home. I'm gonna imagine a big white light of energy surrounding the car and keeping us safe and protected and keeping you here, not following us. Thanks for letting us stop by on Halloween. We'll see you again soon.
So there is a.
Thank you.